Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Caldrea aromatherapeutic housekeeping sea salt neroli number 17 linen and room spray. It's 16 ounces, about the size of my hand. I don't know a whole lot about this company, but you can tell that I've used a lot of it because I absolutely love the smell. Made with essential oils, and you can use it in any room, your car. You can actually spray it directly on yourself if you like. It's kind of a strange name for it, sea salt neroli. I don't exactly know what that means, but you can spray it directly in your car, your linens. You can spray it like just directly on your bed like that, and has a nice citrusy smell. Let's see what the ingredients are. Water, citrus, orange, flour, neroli oil, citrus, lemon peel, and sea salt. And it's just a heavenly smell. Plant derived. Like I said, I've used most of it. It smells so darn good. It's just a simple spray here, and it just is a real nice, relaxing scent. Something I really enjoy. If you want to stay away from something like a Febreze, or you want something that's more natural than Febreze, this would be the product for you. Like I said, it's a little bit bigger than my hand, and I think that anybody who likes a nice citrus smell, something that's not super floral or feminine, it's, like I said, more citrus forward. It's nice for the summertime. It smells great. Don't know a lot about this company. I think, let's see, they're based out of Minneapolis, and it's a great little product. And it says that their motto is crafted for you, your home, and the earth, which is really nice. Like I said, it's a less chemical way to use, instead of using Febreze, use the Caldrea for, it's also aromatherapy. I don't exactly know what citrus is good for. So some of the benefits of using aromatherapy, and the Mayo Clinic actually says that using aromatherapy with patients, said that citrus aromas are often useful in curbing stress and anxiety, as well as helping with digestion and nausea. With any citrus smell, lessened anxiety always seems to emerge as a benefit. So this is a nice, calming, de-stressful smelling room spray and linen spray and clothes spray. I would say if you're maybe a smoker, it's a good thing to keep in your car and wipe out odors when you step out of the car. You can spray it on your seats, or you can spray it directly on your clothes. I haven't had any problems with it making any sort of stains or anything like that. I usually keep it in my car, and it calms you down, definitely in traffic. Just a heavenly room spray. Sea salt, neroli. like I said, the Neroli is a flower. Just a great little product. Something really nice as an alternative to the brands like using Lysol or using Breeze, like I had said before. So definitely check out the Caldrea aromatherapeutic housekeeping sea salt neroli number 17 linen and room spray, 16 ounces. It's actually a pretty good deal. It's lasted me a good amount of time. I like it, like I said again, as an alternative to using something that's chemical heavy like a Febreze or Lysol. So definitely check it out. I would rate it about 5 out of 5 stars. I would give it 5 out of 5 because it's that good. And I've pretty much used all of it up. So check it out. Alright. The Caldrea Sea Salt Neroli number 17 linen room spray.